Welcome back to my vlog. I'm Jeff, by the way, for those who don't know me. As you can see, welcome to winter. It has arrived. It's cold, it's snowy, and I'm not a fan of this at all. So, we're gonna get the car all prepped and ready for storage. I should have done this last weekend like I talked about, but I never did it. So it's all snowy, it's cold. So what I want to do is we're going to get the car up on the quick jacks. We're going to drain the air system in the bags and the tank with draining the water out of the lines if there's any in the lines, which I presume there probably is going to be with the hot and cold that it's been. And then we will get the battery tender put onto the car. It's full of gas, oil's changed, as you guys know. Everything is ready to go and to be parked away for the winter time while we can start working on it. So one thing I am going to do before I put it up on the quick jack system is I'm going to loosen the lug nuts on all the tires so that when it comes time to taking the tires off, the car will be up on the quick jacks and I won't be able to get the wheels off because it'll be up in the air and I won't be able to break the lug nuts free. So I'm just going to loosen those off before I put it up in the air and we'll get to it. Here we go. Let's go.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get...
Okay guys, we've got the car up on the quick jack. This is not a paid product sponsorship from Quick Jacks. I bought these for myself to install the airlift system, as you guys would have watched in previous vlogs. Fantastic product. They work amazing. One of those things I wish I would have bought a long time ago, but yeah, incredible, nice and portable, easy to put away. They don't take up a lot of space and they're quite easy to set up. But we got the car on the quick jacks all ready to go. I got the compressor all drained and I've got the battery tender all hooked up. This is also not a paid product placement for battery tender. I just know that a lot of people have used this battery tender before on motorcycles, ATV, quads, cars, trucks, RVs, and the nice thing about it is that it will keep your battery charged, but it won't keep overcharging it. So it's smart that it knows when to apply power, when to stop, and it actually makes your battery last longer if you're going to be parking your vehicle over the winter to use a battery tender, opposed to actually using a trickle charger that is constantly applying power. So we'll get this plugged in, and then I want to talk about a special product that I haven't talked about on the car yet, and I don't think I've even shown you guys yet. So I want to do a short little snippet of a review of this product. Stay tuned, keep watching. So guys, one of the things I wanted to talk to you about was one of my sponsors that was my first ever sponsor. I reached out to them because there was something I wanted to do to the car that they could provide, and I thought it was going to be the next touch to get me to win more shows and such for this past year. And so the company is actually called XKGLOW. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, their webpage. I'll put their Instagram here, and I'll link all their information below. They have been an amazing sponsor. They sent me everything I needed to complete the car. I do believe with them, it actually got me the awards I did this year along with the rest of the car, but I think they were what pushed it over the edge to help me get more awards. So I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on what it looks like, but I'll go into an in-depth review a little bit later on, and this is what it looks like. So here's what the app looks like. It is all controlled from a smartphone, which is Bluetooth to a receiver that I have put in the trunk connected to the battery. To turn it on, all you have to do is go up to here, and you can see there's the device list. We flick it on, and voila, we have color. So if we want to change the colors, I'm gonna go to blue, we'll go to blue. If we want to go to green, yellow, pink, red. One of the absolutely amazing things with this application is they have this chameleon button right here. And so what it does is you can see there is a dot in the middle of this. Well, whatever you point that on, as you can see, it changes to whatever you're pointing it to. It's absolutely incredible how it works. Yeah, so there's a million colors that you can choose from. You can dance to music. You can actually set it for different themes, like I had it set for different car shows that I've attended. You can select the different types of movement. Yeah, I do believe it has really set my car apart in the crowd of all the car shows, and it is coming back. I really want to see Underglow come back. The other really cool thing that Underglow also does is it's actually also in the interior of the car. So I've got lights in there, and I've got lights in there. So yeah, it's they've been an amazing sponsor. I had an issue with two LED strips that just, we all know manufacturing, nothing can be perfect, and I had two of them. It happened at a car show where they kind of just, they weren't changing the same colors like they were supposed to, so I emailed Brian at XKGLOW, and in a couple days I had some replacement strips. I swapped them out, and the car was ready to go for the next show. So any of your LED neon lighting that you want for your car, I highly recommend that you go and check out XKGLOW. You absolutely, you can't go wrong. Fantastic company, great customer service. The product, I mean, it's been on the car all year, and it still looks like it's brand new. It works, the app works super fast. I've never had any issues with it. I can actually stand away from the crowd in at the car show and change the lights, and when the kids see that it's changing and messing around, like, it just draws so much. The people just love it, and it just sets my car apart from everybody else, and that's what I'm striving for. So I did also receive another package from XKGLOW. I'm not going to open this right now. We're going to save that for a future video. And thanks for watching. The car's all ready for wintertime. Wheels are loosened, so we can start getting to taking the wheels off, getting to some more modifications. And stay tuned. Please subscribe. Comment below. Thanks to you guys who have been commenting. It's greatly appreciated. And I do have something in the works that is coming that I am hoping to announce next video. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, stay tuned, and links for XKGLOW are below. Peace.